Good morning, students. This is Dr. Shanmugapriya. I am going to do Business Economics and Financial Accounting Part 1 revision. I am going to do today. Business. Before entering into the topic in business economics, we will have to see what do you mean by business. A business is an organization where the people work together. In a business, a people to make and sell products or goods and services. Business can earn profit for the products and services it offers. The word business comes from the word busy. Busy means business, like that, and meaning doing more things. It works on a regular basis. What is the definitions of the business? Actually, basically, business is a human activity. It is directed to providing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods and services. It's told by L.H. Henning. Business may be defined as a regular production or purchase and sales of goods with the object of earning profit and acquiring wealth through satisfaction of human wants. In other words, Peterson, he has explained business may be defined as an activities is which is different person exchange something of value, whether the goods or services for mutual gain or profit. What is the basic characteristics of the business? Business, very basic things in the sense it's very easy to start and easy to close. So many division of labors will be there, categories of labor we can say. Business always have a liability. It is means exchange of goods and services, I said in the definition from the definition, and moreover it is a continuous operation. Its motive is earning a profit. Business in the sense, the other word we can say it's managing the risk or taken up the risk. And next 8 point which is going to talk about organized activity. Yes, of course it is organized activity. We have to start and end. Between these start and end, have to do organized manner, and it's a taxation. And moreover, business, each and every business have its own secret. That is called the secrecy, of course. And what do you mean by firm? We are going to see. Firm is a commercial enterprises, a company that buys and sells products or services to consumers with the aim of making profit. Business, already we have seen in the definition of business, it is also making a profit. The firm is a commercial enterprise. It's become commercial in the sense commonly it is going to be enterprises. A business entity such as corporation, limited liability of the company, public limited company, sole proprietor company, or partnership that has a product or services for sale is the firm, which is going to be sell all the goods and services or all the things, the transaction of goods going to be happen, that is going to be called as a business entity. What are the type of business entity we are having? First one is sole trader or proprietorship partnership. A company in the sense limited liability companies. We are going to see business structure. Business structure is a category of organization that is legally recognized in a given jurisdiction and characterized by also legal. That is going to be a business structure. What are the basic structure we are going to see? Organization structure, it has four types. One is sole, next one is partnership, and the next one is limited liability, and the last one is corporation. In the limited liability, we have two categories. One is private limited company and another one is public limited company. In the public limited company, public traded or listed company. These are all the basic structure of the business firm. In this, the types which is going to be explained: registration requirement, personal liability, and tax consequences management. Depends upon this, we have 6 types, how it is going to be easily understandable. Sole proprietorship we are going to talking about. Registration is required or not? It is not required. Personal liability, of course, personal liability will be there. Tax, pass through the owner. It is going to be a person, only one person is going to be a sole proprietor, and it has to be passed by the owner of the company. Management also owner only. General partnership, it is also registration or requirement not required much more. Personal liability of course will be there, and tax pass through the partners. Here we are having partners, so the two partners or three partners people, they are going to do all the work. Management also going to done by the partner basis only. Limited partnership, partnership agreement and certification of limited partnership is going to be required. Personal liability in the sense, generally general partner means personal liability will be there. Limited popular partner means the partner, one or two people will be there, so these two people or three people going to be share the contribution of the capital tax. It is also passed through the partners only. Management in the sense, general partnership management, limited partners do not do any managers. General partners in the sense, commonly these people are managing the management, who what the people has to do, all the management department going to be taken care of general partners only. And corporations, we are going to talk about corporation. When we are entering into a corporation, article of incorporation is required for the registration by legally. Personal liability limited to capital contributors. So how many people are contributed towards the company, like by issuing the shares. Tax consequences, corporation taxed on income, and shareholders taxed on the dividends. They have to be pay the tax, depends upon the corporation level or shareholder level. And management, directors are elected by the shareholders only. Depends upon the people, the shareholders, they will conduct elections and they may select their own directors. And corporations, article of incorporation also required in this. Limited capital contribution or this also, and pass through the shareholder only, pass through the shareholder only. And management, this is also elected by the shareholder. Limited liability corporation, it is also article of incorporations only, and limited to capital corporations, pass through the members. Those who are person join in the company members, they are going to be. And all the manager, limited liability only, no, all the managers are going to be involved in management work. Thank you. We will see the next topic next day.